In previous lecture, we have to study the classification of halogen derivative. Now we have to study the nomenclature of alkyl halides. In this, first we have to study the IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide. IUPAC means the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In this, for example, here we have to select first the longest chain of the parent alkane. In this longest chain contains 7 carbon atoms of this chain. Therefore, 7 carbon atoms parent alkane is the heptane. Here, numbering of these alkanes is given to the left hand side or the right hand side. Here, there is a halogen atom is nearest number to this alkanes. Here, in longest chain, right hand side numbering takes place. Here, 2 number is present to the chlorine atom. Therefore, chlorine is called as the in halogen atoms chloro, bromo, iodo, etc. we have to say. Therefore, here chlorine is present. Therefore, chloro and the methyl group is attached to the 5th carbon atom. Therefore, answer alphabetically we can write that the 2-chloro-5-methyl heptane. In the common names, in alkyl halides, there is a alkanes. ANE is replaced by the YL halides. That is the common name of the alkyl halides. Here, in organic compounds, that is the alkyl group. Here is the present. That is tertiary butyl group is present here. Therefore, tertiary butyl and iodine is present in this example. Therefore, iodine is called as the iodide. That is, name of this compound is the tertiary butyl iodide. Here, there is a alkyl group is the ethyl group and chlorine atom is the halogen atom. Chlorine is called as the chloride. Therefore, ethyl chloride. Common name of this compound is the isopropyl chloride. Their iso position chlorine atom is present. Therefore, that common name is the isopropyl chloride and the IUPAC name at the number 2, 1, 2. There is a chlorine atom is present. Therefore, name of this compound is the 2-chloropropane. Parent alkane is the propane. Here, there is a bromine is the halogen atom present. Therefore, name of this compound is the benzyl bromide. Here, iodide is by mistake, and the IUPAC name of this compound is the bromophenylmethane. Here, phenyl is the benzene is called as the phenyl group. Therefore, bromophenylmethane is the IUPAC name of this compound. Now we have to study the methods of preparation of alkyl halides. First method from the alcohols. In these alcohols, OH group is replaced by the halide group and formation of a alkyl halide by using the halogen acid or the hydrogen halide. There is a we have to prepare as the alkyl halides. In this reaction, alcohol reacts with the halogen acid. That is depend on the structure of the alcohol and the particular halogen acid is used. Reactivity order of these alcohols is given. Halo acid is the tertiary, is the greater reactive, then the secondary and the primary. In this reaction, with suitable condition, alcohol reacts with the hydrogen acid and there is a formation of a alkyl halide and the water molecule. Here OH group from the alcohol and hydrogen from the hydrogen acid replace and there is a formation of a water molecule. Gruce process. There is a gruce process is carried out for the primary and secondary alcohols. There is a preparation of a hydrogen chloride in presence of a Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is the mixture of a zinc chloride and dilute HCl. There is a Lucas reagent is formed and from this there is a primary and secondary alcohols we have to prepare as a alkyl halide. Reactivity order of this reaction is given here. Hydrogen iodide is the greater reactive than the hydrogen bromide, than the hydrogen chloride, then the least reactive is the hydrogen fluoride. In this reaction, at the constant boiling, hydrobromic acid is used for the preparation of alkyl bromide. Primary alkyl bromide can be prepared by the reaction with NaBr and sulfuric acid. Here HBr is generated in situ. Situ means typically means there is a in the reaction mixture there are numerous situations in which the chemical intermediate are synthesized. Here chemical intermediate is formed and there is a formation of a hydrogen bromide takes place and that hydrogen bromide is used for the preparation of a alkyl bromide. Here that from the catalyst NaBr and H2SO4 by heating we have to obtain as a hydrogen bromide. That condition is called as the in situ and there is a formation of a OH is replaced by the bromine atom and form the alkyl bromide. There is a good yield obtained by the heating of alcohol with the sodium or potassium iodide in 95% of a phosphoric acid. Here Hi is generated in the situ. Here also there is a Hi is formed in the presence of catalyst NaI and S3PO4. From this there is a formation of a Hi takes place and that Hi is used to formation of a alkyl iodide. In this reaction alkyl iodide is formed from the alcohols. There is a formation of a alkyl iodide and water molecule. In this reaction preferred as a phosphoric acid is preferred to the H2SO4 for the preparation of a Hi in situ because of a phosphoric acid is a non-oxidizing agent. Therefore this phosphoric acid is used for the reaction. Next reaction by using the phosphorus halide. By using the phosphorus halide prepare the alkyl halides. That alkyl halides are prepared by using the phosphorus halide reacts on the alcohols. There is a two types of phosphorus halides. There is a phosphorus trihalides and the phosphorus pentahalides. There is both reacts to form the alkyl halides and the phosphoric acids. There is a reaction with phosphorus pentachloride reaction Ethyl alcohol is reacts with phosphorus pentachloride by heating. There is a formation of a ethyl chloride, hydrochloric acid and phosphorus oxychloride is formed. Like this here also alkyl halide is generated from the reaction with the alcohol with the phosphorus pentachlorides. Next reaction, alkyl halides are prepared from the thionyl chlorides on the alcohols. That is the reaction with the alcohol. Here also there is a alcohol, ethyl alcohol is reacts with the thionyl chloride. SOCl is called as the thionyl chloride. In presence of a pyridine, there is a formation of a alkyl halide, that is the ethyl chloride. Here OH group is replaced by the Cl atom and there is formation of a ethyl chloride, and there is a SO2 sulfur is attached to the OH oxygen atom and formation of a SO2, which is the evaporate out. Also there is a one Cl atom and hydrogen, there is a formation of a HCl, that is also evaporate out, and easily we can separate out the alkyl halide from this